Hi, this is Miss April, and this is a super easy St. Patrick's Day project that you can make with or without a Silhouette machine. We'll be making a Shamrock pin. You don't have to do it exactly as I did, but here are some materials that you can use. To begin, find an image of a heart and trace it. Change the size depending on how big you want your pin to be. Rotate copies so that you have a total of 3 hearts. Rotate and place them so that they look like a shamrock. Make a copy of all 3 and make it smaller so it fits within the bigger shamrock. Copy the smaller shamrock. With the pencil, draw the stem. I edited the points to make it look smoother. And I welded all 3 pieces together. Then I colored all 3 shamrocks with different shades of green so I know which cardstock to use. Layer them on top of one another like this. I had to make minor adjustments to the stem. Next, create a small rectangle. I made it have the 2 points on the side like we did when we made our bookmarks in the Silhouette Basics video part 2. Refer back to that video. It is about 40 minutes into that video. This can be placed behind the first or second shamrock. You can create a simple or scalloped circle to make the back piece where you will glue your pin. You can make that piece any color. And that's it for all the pieces. Set each color to cut one at a time. To put it together, you can use glue or foam glue dots to make the layers stand out more. Place the bigger hearts on the circle and then the medium-sized hearts and then the small shamrock. I wrote "No pinching" on my little sign. For an extra touch, add colorful ribbon to your shamrock. Simply glue it to the back. Use a larger foam tape or carefully place a small amount of hot glue to secure the safety pin or brooch pin back. And that's it. I hope you're able to make this one just in time to not get pinched and that it inspires you to make other pins using simple supplies like paper.